The one consistency in the American policy approach to Pakistan is we've had a love affair with every military dictator. Every general that's come along has been supported by the United States. The U.S.-Pakistan bilateral relationship could be turned into a TV soap opera. I guarantee you it would be #1 across the world. It's a great story. The United States and Pakistan have these spectacular highs when we're deeply in love with each other, followed almost immediately by deep lows in which we accuse each other of all kinds of things. The United States sanctions Pakistan every conceivable way it can think of. It's also filled with murder, like General Zia's death in 1989, in unexplained events. The roller coaster of U.S.-Pakistani relationship that goes up and down over the last decades is almost in every case built around a great secret project, which remains a secret for about a month and then becomes the best known secret in the world. This is what I mean. If this was a TV soap opera, you'd be glued to the screen. In the 1950s and 60s, the great projects were the U-2 base in Peshawar, which was a secret to Americans, but known to everybody in Pakistan as Little Reston. In the 1960s and 70s, it was Nixon's secret trip to China, and Pakistan as the back door to Beijing. In the 1980s, it was the war against the Soviet Union, a covert operation that had nothing covert about it, and which has even produced at least one good movie. And in this decade, it's been the war against Al-Qaeda and the secret drone strikes, which even the president jokes about on occasion. So much for a secret. It's a remarkably bipartisan record. Republicans and Democrats may not have agreed on many things in foreign policy over the last 50 years, but they've supported dictatorship in Pakistan continuously.